learn about animal names.
Yeah!
Animals are amazing and cool.
Ready? Go!
Whoa! This is a cat.
Yeah!
Cat is a small pet that likes to play.
Whoa!
This is a dog.
Yeah!
Dog is a friendly pet that loves people.
Whoa!
This is a cow.
Yeah!
Cow is a big farm animal that gives milk.
Whoa!
This is a goat.
Yeah!
Goat is a farm animal that eats grass.
Whoa!
This is a sheep.
Yeah!
Sheep is a fluffy animal that gives wool. It's quiz time. Which one gives milk? Yes, that's it.
Whoa!
This is a horse.
Yeah!
Horse is a strong animal that people can ride.
Whoa!
This is a chicken.
Yeah!
Chicken is a bird that lays eggs.
Whoa!
This is a duck.
Yeah!
Duck is a bird that swims on water.
Whoa!
This is a goose.
Yeah!
Goose is a big bird that honks loudly.
Whoa!
This is a rabbit.
Yeah!
Rabbit is a small animal with long ears. It's quiz time. Which one run fast? Yes, that's it. Good job. You have learned about animal names. Congratulations.